Hi, I'm David Brown. I get a lot of questions about Zoom and how to use it and some of the more advanced features. It's a really simple application if you have used it before. If you haven't, you basically just click on a link and everything kind of happens automatically. But one of the things that it does give you is the capability of sharing information from your computer in a way that all the other participants can see it much more clearly than you might expect in a conference room on a screen or a TV room and the TV in that room. So I'm going to show you today how to go about doing that by sharing my screen and showing you sort of what to expect when it happens. So first of all, let's go here. So this is what you see in your Zoom meeting. If you see the little green button down at the bottom, that's what my screen just looked like. And when I clicked on that green button, this menu here is the one that came up. And that allowed me to choose between the things that I have open to share and show you with my computer. So it's as simple as that. It's really quite easy. So let's see what else we might have here. For instance, let me close that. Da-da-da. Here are some files. I'm going to close that and this. So first of all, maybe I want to share this report about the impact of the coronavirus on tourism in Ireland, which is a particularly um, dear subject to my heart since we are involved with the museum over there. So you could put this up and scroll through it and give a presentation about the whole thing. Um, now that my screen is up, I can go also and look at other things. For instance, let's see what we've got here. On this browser, I've got my website for the Flying Boat Museum. So you just basically pick and choose what you have open. Maybe you've got some files open, or maybe while it's open there, you want to go open some files yourself. So I don't know what this image is, but we'll just take a look at it. That's a file. Really nice. That was when I was installing my rain sensing system at the Atlanta house. So not particularly interesting, but you can see that everything that you do on your computer and the way that you would normally operate can be done while other people are watching. So you want to be careful. You might not want to show your latest emails or whatever, but it does give you the option to, select through and choose whatever you'd like. So basically, that's the screen sharing capability. It's very easy, just a two-step process or as many more as you want to go through. You click that button, the green button on the bottom of the screen. You select which window that's currently open on your machine that you'd like to share and go for it. It's real simple. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'm always glad to help.